Are you looking? In recent years, inversion tables have gained popularity as an effective way to relieve back pain, improve posture, and enhance spinal health. Especially sought after by those with chronic discomfort or desk-bound lifestyles, these devices appeal to wellness enthusiasts and physical therapy patients alike. This guide evaluates the best inversion Teeter EP560 inversion table with accessories for back pain relief. FDA registered, UL safety certified. The Teeter EP560 stands out as a premium inversion table known for its superior safety and therapeutic features. FDA registered and UL safety certified, it provides peace of mind with rigorous quality assurance. Equipped with accessories like acupressure nodes and an adjustable headrest, this table ensures a customized, comfortable experience. Its ergonomic design supports smooth inversion and controlled decompression, making it ideal for users seeking effective pain relief and spinal traction. While priced on the higher end, the durable construction and extensive safety features make the Teeter EP560 a worthwhile investment. Innova Advanced Heat and Massage Inversion Table. The Innova Advanced Heat and Massage Inversion Table brings added comfort to traditional inversion therapy by integrating heat and massage functions. This combination helps relax muscles while decompressing the spine, enhancing the overall therapeutic effect. Its sturdy steel frame supports users up to 300 pounds, with adjustable settings for inversion angles. The padded backrest and ergonomic design maximize comfort during use. A budget-friendly option, this model offers great value for those looking to combine relaxation and pain relief in a single device. List number: Innova ITX9900 Inversion Table with Air Lumbar Support, Black-Gray. The Innova ITX9900 features an innovative air lumbar support system designed to provide targeted relief and improve comfort during inversion sessions. Its heavy-duty frame supports up to 300 pounds, and the padded backrest ensures added cushioning for the spine. Users can adjust the inversion angle easily with secure ankle locking mechanisms, promoting safe use.
The black and gray design adds a sleek, modern touch. This model is perfect for users wanting effective lumbar support combined with reliable inversion therapy at an affordable price. List number: Model AR Advanced Heat and Massage Heavy-Duty Deluxe Inversion Table. 320 pounds capacity, black-red. Built to handle heavier users with a 320-pound weight capacity. The Model AR Advanced Heat and Massage Deluxe Inversion Table offers a robust frame with deluxe comfort features. It combines heat and massage therapies, providing muscle relaxation alongside spinal decompression. The adjustable headrest and padded backrest enhance comfort, while the steel construction ensures durability and stability during use. The striking black and red design gives it a sporty aesthetic. This model is ideal for users seeking a heavy-duty inversion table with additional therapeutic benefits. List number 5. HYTY Massage Inversion Table for Back Pain Relief. Back stretcher machine with adjustable headrest. Foldable design. The HYTY Massage Inversion Table is a versatile option for home users who need effective back pain relief with space-saving convenience. It features an adjustable headrest and foldable design, making storage easy after use. This table offers massage functionality to soothe tense muscles during inversion. Despite its compact design, it supports a comfortable and safe inversion experience for users up to 300 pounds. It's a great choice for those seeking portability without sacrificing essential features.